What's up, YouTube? So I just want to make one of my normal videos that you should expect to see on this channel, but I did want to talk about a couple of things. First one being the filament giveaway with Bambu Lab. I think what I'm actually going to do is just give away Bambu Lab gift cards. I think that's going to be the easiest way to do it and avoid having to get people's addresses and things like that and then spend money to ship it out to my house and then out to their house. So instead of doing that, I think the gift cards will be better. You can get filament and save money on a printer, accessories, whatever you want. I'll still do the same amount, about 4 rolls will be who or what the winner ends up getting. So that's probably going to be a better way to do that. And like I said, you won't have to send me your contact information and go about that nonsense. So that'll be a lot easier. Thanks a lot for all the new subscribers that have actually joined in the past couple of days. Looks like we're currently sitting at 267. And apparently Mr. Beast is the only one that's allowed to give something away on YouTube, because that video that I made announcing the filament giveaway kind of just disappeared off of the internet. People aren't seeing it. It's not getting views. People aren't commenting on it anymore. I mean, within 24 hours, I think I gained 20 subscribers off of that and had it at almost 500 views, where it's now sat for, it's been, since I posted it on the 6th, and it's the 12th, so it's been 6 days, and that video was doing great, gaining subscribers, getting views, and it looked like YouTube just nuked it, along with everything else on my channel. So I don't think Mr. Beast likes people giving stuff away if it's not him, and I don't think YouTube likes people giving stuff away. So they think I've just had an army of bots come out and like this channel just because I'm giving away filament. So going to Reddit to try and push traffic back to this channel. Hopefully things continue to go the right way, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep making videos. Not like this. I wouldn't expect anything like this. I'd expect, there he is, Milo Ren over there, to make more appearances on the channel. I know people have been asking about him, but just want to remind everybody, filament giveaway, Bambu Lab giveaway, whatever we're going to call it now. Just going to say the October 500 subscriber celebration giveaway at this point. I think that's the best way to word it. So thanks for everybody for subscribing. If you're new, don't expect a video like this too often. It's going to mostly be 3D printing related, video game, technology. Wouldn't expect to deviate too far from that. But thanks again for watching. Like this video. That's the most important thing you can do. If you want to help me out, like, comment. If you're new to the channel, which seems like most people are, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a chance. Thumbs up. Have a good day, guys. Peace.